So guys, this is the craziest adventure I've ever done in my entire life. We're up in the eastern corridor on our way to the Volta region, and it's really rural here. It's very rural. We just use this little in Ghana they call it washroom, but it's, you know, a restroom. So it's filled with mosquitoes in there. I had to be very careful not to get bitten, you know. It's, yeah, but you know what, this is what it is. You have to accept the reality. By the way, check out these sheep. So we have these sheep here at the gas station. It would be good if these sheep were able to get their hooves trimmed, but they're just chilling out right now. So yeah, back on the road again. Ready, babe? Yeah, the most adventurous thing I've done. But it continues to the Volta. Auntie?
Hindi now.
Hindi now.
Odo. Which one?
I just wanted to see what she was doing here.
What you ask for another hello woman? Yeah. That woman.
So what is this?
This condo.
Okay. So what is it called?
Condo.
Condo.
Yeah,
what is it made from?
It's made from maize.
Maize.
Yeah.
Okay. So what do they use? What does she use it to do?
Okay. She sells it. You know, people make porridge.
You can ask her so she can tell us.
Everybody. Hey, neko yo ne. Blimoa, nuko ko yo no. Nuko.
Okoda na banku.
Okoda na banku, koko. Accra.
Okay. So they use it to make banku and cocoa.
Yeah, that's porridge.
Porridge.
Okay. And then another type of banku is Accra. Okay.
What's her name?
Amen.
Amen. Like amen.
Amen.
Okay. What is this area called? Usiabuda. Is this a Muslim area? Everywhere. Yeah. Okay. Well, thank you, sister. Thank you. All right.
Akwe now. Okay.
Akwe.
Okay.
We're definitely in the danger zone in terms of diseases and stuff like that, so I don't want to stay too long so I can get bitten by anything. But back on the road, heading to the Volta. So we've gotten to Willie Waterfalls, and we've... My brother, What is your name again?
I'm Kenzie.
Kenzie.
And this is David.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, David.
Yeah,
Hi,
David.
David.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
I was talking to the young lady
Yeah.
just now, and she
Yeah.
was saying that the Upper Falls is 3 hours to walk.
It's all depend on it is climbing. You know, as for climbing, it depends the way you choose to climb. Maybe you feel to make it snappy or you feel to relax. Sometimes some people feel to relax for the climbing. It depends. Maybe sometimes if you come around like 6 o'clock early in the morning, it will be very good for you. But now you know we are in the weather is very hot now.
Yes.
So some people cannot take it fast. So if she said 3 hours, it might be true, but maybe 2 hours. Yeah, all depends on the way you're going to climb the mountain before you get to the upper falls.
So the lower falls, that's
it's a flat
closer.
road walk.
Okay.
Just a flat road like this walk. We cross around, we cross about 6 bridges to 9 bridges before we get to the lower falls.
Okay.
And for that one, it's just like this. But for the upper fall, you know, the upper falls is behind the mountain. Yeah, so you are going to pass through the mountain little before you get there.
So, which falls do you want to go to?
The lower one.
So she wants to go to the lower
She
falls.
wants to go to the lower falls, not the upper falls.
Not the
For
upper
today.
falls. Yeah.
So today we are going to the lower falls.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a lot. It's like a steep hike.
No, for the lower
No,
falls.
to the upper one.
Yeah, it's somehow tip hiking.
Yeah.
Yeah, somehow tip hiking. Yeah.
Okay.
So you are highly welcome.
Thank you.
And this is Willie.
Willie?
Willie.
Willie.
Yeah, this is Willie.
Willie?
W-L-I.
Willie?
Yeah, Willie.
Willie.
This is where we live, and this is the last place of Ghana, because we have a border here. From here you can go
Togo?
to Togo. Yeah, you have a border here. From here you go to Togo.
We drove up the street and I saw the sign that said
okay.
Togo.
Yes.
So
Yes.
Togo is how far from here?
Oh, just about 2-3 minutes walk. We enter Togo. From here you go to Palimé, you go to Lomé, you go to Mali, Burkina, Benin, or you can pass here and go. Côte d'Ivoire.
Wow.
Yeah.
So we are going to cross 9 bridges. So the first bridge we are going to cross the river from Togo. Yes, the name is Numbui.
Nimbui?
Yeah.
Nimbui?
This one is coming all the way from the mountain at Togo before it's first here. This is the first.
Oh my God, I'll the time down to
No, we want me to go.
Yeah.
It's up to you.
So do you guys fish in this water?
Yeah, sometimes.
You can see the fish there.
Look at the fish. The
see
big
it,
fish.
Tilapia.
It's a small tilapia.
Yeah, small tilapia. Small tilapia.
So what's the name of the this river?
It's called River
Nubui.
Nubui. Yeah.
Nubui.
Yeah. River Nubui.
And this river is coming from Togo. And I was told that Togo is 3 minutes walk away from here.
3 minutes walk away from here before
Another
you
country.
enter the first village of Togo.
Okay.
Well, maybe the next time when you come, we'll go to the mountain, we'll head to the mountain
have
and
the
see
nice
where
village
the
over
waterfall is coming from. Yeah.
We have the nice village
Hello?
over there.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's
brother.
On the top of the mountain.
Hello.
okay.
You only today where the man can talk me say some I'm over or harder. We can't say the doing, so I just wait for them. Oh, Sale ma bro ni on to kwa mele okay mele amoro follow ya de kepo ma da je play o check for after ma gboyo amare be o je mo ba ba do me gbana me oh ame kwa de me ba do yom okay, no problem.
So we can show you, a lot of cocoa.
What's the name of this mango tree here?
This is the mango tree. This is the local one.
A local mango tree. It's not a grafted one. And that's cocoa. You can see the cocoa seedling here. Before it's coming.
Coffee tree. So this is coffee tree.
Yeah, you can see the coffee tree.
But actually, Ghana, we don't like to grow coffee. We like to grow cocoa. But if you went to French country like Togo, Benin, they have a lot of coffee.
That's your girlfriend?
Yeah.
That's your girlfriend?
No, it's my sister.
Oh, your sister?
Yes.
Oh, my apologies for that.
So which country are you from?
We were born in Jamaica.
Oh, my lovely country. Yeah. That's my dream country. One day I want to go there.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I love Jamaica tracks, and sometimes I feel to be in Jamaica just to see how things go.
The small island.
Yeah.
It's an island.
It's a small island.
Yeah.
Because I'm a fan of culture.
Yes.
And a lot of Bob Marley songs and a lot of them. Yeah.
You know Sizzler?
Sizzler, yeah.
Yeah, Jamaica.
Yeah.
So this is the flag around my neck here.
Yeah. So this is the first time I've come into Ghana, or you've been coming?
First time coming to Ghana.
Oh.
Trying to reconnect with
that is it. African,
my people.
Yeah, people, yeah. That is it. Next time, if you can, we'll talk about your land. You have to get lands in the villages.
Yeah.
And do a lot of projects. You have a very nice project over there.
Is there a nana in this village, or a chief? A chief.
Yeah, we have our paramount chief.
Okay.
Yeah. We have our paramount chief.
Yeah, I think it's in Jamaica, like in the Rastafarian community.
Yeah.
They talk a lot about, coming back to Africa.
Yes.
Which is important.
Very, very important. Very. But need to know your destination.
Right.
Where you come from, and because a lot of people are in there, they don't know where they come from. They just hear that I'm from Africa, I'm from Ghana, but where are you from?
Right.
You don't know.
So you can do one of two things. You can choose a country
that you want to
and just go, or there's a new technology that allows us to use the DNA and search
and search and see where you're from.
Yes. What group? What tribe? This is pineapple.
Yes.
Okay. This is palm.
You do palm wine over there too?
No.
Only palm.
You don't do palm wine there? Nobody know how to do it.
No.
Just because they don't want to do it.
We don't know that part of the culture.
Yes.
Didn't come over.
Yes.
On the slave ships. I tell you what. Do you eat dokano?
Dokunu.
We have dukunu.
Yes.
We call it dukunu. Same thing.
Same name.
Same name. We make it, instead of plantain leaves, we use banana leaves.
Banana leaves.
Our grandparents used to do it.
Even in Ghana here, we use banana leaf to do some too. Yeah, fantikenke. We call it fantikenke.
Fantikenke.
Yeah, that one is for the Asante people. They use the plantain leaf to cook it, and that one too is very sweet. Yeah, very tasty.
A lot of Jamaicans trace their roots back to Ashanti.
Yeah.
So a lot of Ashanti are from Jamaica.
Lives over there. And they do Ghana food there for you.
No. There's no African restaurant well known in Jamaica.
In Jamaica?
No.
Wow.
No, there's none. There's no Ghanaian restaurant, no Nigerian. Nope.
Okay.
Yeah, it's strange.
It's nice, it's strange, very strange.
But a lot of the foods that we do eat, since I've been here, I notice the similarities. Not everything.
That is equal to your yes.
Yes. Just similar, but not the same. You alright, Naga? Yeah. Okay. So we're going across bridge number 2.
This river is from the waterfall directly. So this is the first foot of the waterfall water.
Okay.
Yeah.
Second.
Go to the lower falls.
Yeah.
This is the first road to the
upper?
Oh.
One road is this, and
So
another road is
this is
there.
the long route.
So we're inside Ewe country, the Ewe people of the Volta region, deep in the forest right now. Doing a little hike up to the bottom of the Woolly waterfalls. Woolly Waterfalls. That's what I was told that the proper pronunciation is. So crossing the third bridge. I believe he said it was 7. This one is called Hiking in Africa. Ghana, to be precise. Walking past some cocoa plants here on someone's farm. Some more cocoa on this side. It's kind of like the new gold of West Africa. Makes all the chocolate in the world, basically. Look at this tree trunk. Massive tree trunk here. Massive, massive. That tree must have been here for over 100 years. Very close to 100 years. Alright, let me see if I can catch them up because I've been busy showing you guys stuff. My guide is ahead. Even Ayoka is ahead. So, if I see anything more interesting, I'll fill you guys in. Until then. Alright, Uncle? Alright. By the way, there's the upper and the lower falls. Unfortunately, I won't be able to go to the upper because Nayaka would have to stay. It's a 3-hour hike to the top. For the lower one, it's I think 45 minutes, so it's really nothing. So we're going to the lower one because for the reasons I mentioned before. Yeah, a little bit disappointed, but it's all for the good. The key thing coming to Africa is coming in one piece and leaving in one piece. So if that's the goal, then I'm all for it. This is bridge number 4. Getting closer. Getting closer to me. Bridge number 5. Bridge number 5. 2 more bridges to go, based on what the guides told us. We're deep inside the breast of Mama Africa. And it's hot and humid. Facts. Bridge number 8. Apparently it wasn't 7, it was actually 9 bridges we have to cross to get up there. It's all good. All in a day's work. It's brown because of the color of the dirt. Not because it's filthy. It's actually the color of the earth here in West Africa. Very red. Or brown, depending on how you're looking at it. What's the name of this mountain? What's the name of the mountain?
This one?
Yeah.
Asogoloto.
Asogoto?
Yeah, Asogoloto.
Asogoloto?
It means Asogolo Mountain. Or
Asogoloto?
Abumacha Mountain. Yeah.
Oh, so that was bridge number 9.
Yeah, no, number 8. This is the 9.
Oh, okay.
Asogoloto?
Yeah, Asogoloto.
You see?
Yeah.
This is another route to the upper falls.
Mm-hmm. Right here?
You're going to pass through this mountain before you descend.
Okay. So this mountain is called Asogoloto. A large mountain, I believe it means. This is bridge number 9. Last bridge.
This is the waterfall.
Yeah. Last bridge to the waterfall.
Last 9 bridge.
Okay.
Yeah.
Asogoloto.
Wow. Look at that. That's crazy.
And you have a lot of bats.
Mm.
You see the crying on the mountain.
Oh, those are bats.
Yeah.
Okay.
Up there.
Alright. Wow, just felt my knee there. So, this is my first time seeing Vuli. And this is the tallest waterfall in West Africa. If not in Africa, I'm not even sure. But certainly the tallest in West Africa.
Come and see the upper falls. So the last one over there is the upper falls. It's also a display ground like this. Yeah. It is that one that we look at in the town. If you go to the town.
So also you can see a good view from up there?
Yeah, it's very good. It's very. For that one, you're gonna plan about it before you come. Come early. It's very hiking somehow.
So he was just showing me the upper waterfall that takes about 3 hours to get to. That I will not be doing this trip, unfortunately. But let me show you the falls. Let me stop talking. Yeah. Okay. And there's fish or whatever that is. Oh yeah, so obviously it would be bad. Oh man, I didn't know it would be cold to come all the way to West Africa to Woolly Waterfalls and not get in the water. Guys,
Wait. Ow.
it's yo, the water cold, dog. The water.
No, this is beyond cold. This is worse than Dunn's River.
The water is very cold, guys. Well, I'm Havana, Jamaica.
Maybe I'll go over the sea. It's not shallow.
I don't know. Must I walk straight?
It's all shallow.
It's shallow? It's deep? Okay. Alright guys, look at what we're walking into.
I'm scared. So guys, they have like a saying or a calling, like if you're at the waterfalls you can make a sound, and then if someone is coming, you know, they'll also make the sound, you know, just as a sign to say I'm here and they're coming, something like that. I don't know, it's like cuckoo! And there you have it. So the water is not deep. I thought it was, but it's not. So we can walk all the way over to the falls. I'm gonna try. I'm scared, but I'm gonna try.
Just don't drink it.
Hey guys, so let's show them what the falls look like before we take a picture. So we're gonna go, I'm gonna go down there to see if I can get underneath the waterfall to let it come down. I don't know if I can do it, but I'm going to try. Let's take a picture. It's okay, it's okay. We're going in, guys. Our guide is bringing us in. We're going in.
Yes, we are going inside.
I cannot swim.
Give yourself, yes, it's fine. Look at where we are, guys.
Be careful, we have lots of stones.
Okay.
So you have to be careful.
Okay.
No further.
Here, come on, let's go. It not get deeper, it's the same height. Yeah. Woo. Julie! Mami Wata! Oh, wow.
Hey! Wait. Okay. Then, just like
Yeah. I don't know how much of my voice you guys could have heard, because I just realized that we're up against a waterfall which is very loud. The largest waterfall in West Africa, man. This is just one of those things you have to check off on your bucket list. And the hike wasn't too bad. I've done more strenuous hikes. This is like maybe a 45-minute, 50-minute hike to get to the lower part. However, there's an upper waterfall, and that one is about 3 hours, I heard. Depending on your speed, it could be 2.5 hours hike. But yeah, that one's there. If you guys venture out to West Africa, venture out to Ghana, and venture further out into the Volta region of Ghana. Check it out. Can you tell me any history about this waterfall here?
Shortly and briefly, the waterfall came all the way from this place to is being discovered by our great grandfather. And he was a hunter, and he was hunting to the forest, and all along came here. Sometimes he came to hunting, he stayed in the bush for a week, sometimes a month, and hunt. So he came all along and started tracing the river little bit, and he came to across this place. The main source of the river is from Vlitoji.
Where?
Vlitoji. Vlitoji is from this. The village is from this town, but they live just the back of the Vlitoji. This town is called Vlitoji. So the place, when you live at the mountain, you call it Toji.
Toji?
Yeah, Toji is called mountain side. So he lives over there, and the generation of the waterfall comes from there. Anytime you come, you go and see the source of the waterfall. Yeah, it's from Vlitoji. So he was a hunter. He lives over there. He comes down to, you can descend, you can climb. So he was a hunter off in before he came to discover this place. Oh, wow. So he has been killing wild animals by then. So he came across, found the place for us. Wow. Before it started to develop, the village became to use the road before it started developing, and it's all came about. This time we are still patronizing it.
Beautiful.
Yeah, still patronizing it.
Beautiful.
Over 100 and something years now, still patronizing it. Yeah. And this is the largest and the tallest waterfall in West Africa.
The tallest and the largest waterfall in all of West Africa. Vuli
Waterfall.
Yeah. Thank you.